Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make AI art prompts using ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you want to make AI art prompts to be inputted in Midjourney and also in Leonardo.ai or any AI art apps, so you can use this plugin by ChatGPT. So you can create successful AI art prompts and improve outputs compared to when you just type it in. So for example, you go ahead and do this. So you need to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription and you need to have the plugins turned on. So go ahead on settings and beta features, and then go ahead and make sure that the plugins are enabled. So once you are here, you go ahead and select plugins and make sure that go you go over to the bottom and search for photorealistic and make sure you install this. After that, you can now type in what particular imagination you want. So for example, you want to type in like that. So for example, you want that. So as you can see, it's now using the plugin. You just type in yes. So as you can see, it is now typing it in for you. So you can pick whatever prompts you want, and you can also ask this to make more. For example, make 5 more. So as you can see, it is now generating it for you. All you have to do is copy and paste this to Midjourney or Leonardo, or any AI art apps. So there, as you can see here, for example, you want this one. Uh, for example, you want to use this one. So all you have to do is paste this one and then generate. So as you can see, it's now generated, but this is not the result we want. So all you have to do is pick whatever you want here. So for example, you want this one. So there, it might not be perfect depending on your model, but you just have to pick here what prompts you want, and there. So there guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.